Howdy ho, neighbors. Finally, we get to work a little more on this crosscut sled. Blade up as far as we go. I get to work outside today. Let me go get my speed square and check the square on it. Pretty good. Yeah, I get to work outside today. It's a pretty day. Yeah, I just wanted to make that pass so far through until I get my fence on here. clamp. Well, right to start off with. Be done playing spin the ball here in a minute. We're gonna need like one more. stick this in. I got it in my hand. I was hoping it had some shorter screws. I'm going to have to angle these in here wherever way I put them because I don't want them going all the way through. I'm going to put 2 in the bottom and 1 on each side anyway. Good deal, good deal, good deal. Yo. Well, let's see what we got here. Well, here's what we got to the naked eye anyway, which is pretty good. I ain't gonna be cutting nothing really no wider than that, so that's pretty good. But still, I may go ahead and use this one to make my mallets with, because my plywood, I should have flattened it out a little bit, and I thought it had 3/4 inch. I don't know what was wrong with me that night I was putting this together. This is only 1/2 inch here, and it's not exactly flat. So I can put some weights on it and get it to settle a little better. But as straight as I got it, it'll work really well for mallets, if that's what I use it for. Anyway, that's done. Done and done. But I've got some flutes I've got to get to. I got to get them rounded off. So next time I see you, that's probably what I'll be doing. Oh, and I put my little wax I made on the bottom of this. I'll make some out of beeswax and sunflower seed oil. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but you can, it's like maybe half and half. I can't remember what I used on it. But you melt your beeswax and you add in your sunflower seed oil, and it hardens up, and it depends on how you want it. It can be softer or a little bit harder. Mine come out pretty good. I like the mixture I got last time. I wish I could remember what I used. But if I remember, I'll tell you a little later on down the road. My memory is not good at all. But yeah, this is really good. I just wish it would settle. You can see it there. It just likes a little bit settling, and I don't know if it's going to settle or not, especially with me done screwing it together. I don't know if it will. But if it don't, it still makes good cuts and it'll work good for my mallets. But I better get to them flutes, and thank you for watching. This is like probably an inch and a half round over a bit, but I don't have to use it all. I can just raise it up so far. Kind of curious what it is. Find my square. Let's see about what it is. Whoa. Like 2 inches. Yeah. Like I say, you don't have to use it out, and I meant to pop my thing. I forgot about that. Well, let's see. Loosen up my back first. Here's that 3/4 router bit I smoked making those D's. I got a new in here. I got some more in there too put up, but probably have to use it next time I go at it. Right now I got it except these 1/2 inch. But I've got a reducer I can go to a 1/4 inch. actually pretty good routers for one in this price range. They could have more power than most of the others did, 90% of the others, for its price range and everything. And it had 1/4 inch or the 1/2 inch. And I like using the 1/2 inch because it'll handle the heat and everything better too, and the stress of everything. We'll try it there. I may have to raise it up some. Let's see. They got to get us close to where we need to be. I'm getting those rounded off. Surely do. And again, this would save us some time. We'll just get her down close to where we want it. Still got a lot of sanding to do though, but we can do that on the lathe. blue for you. Yeah, you see it bumping around, that's where it's hitting the glue there. Missed all the rounding off. Phone's memory was full or something. But this really worked out good. It saved me a lot of time on the lathe. What I got done in 30 minutes, all these would have took me hours on the lathe. But all I got to do now is some sanding on it. I'll see you then. Anyway. Howdy ho, neighbors. And again, for whatever reason, man, I lost the footage. My phone just didn't have enough memory. I lost the footage of rounding off my flute stocks that I had. It's a shame too, because I had a new bit and it worked flawlessly. Saved me so much time. I mean, I was done with all those in like 30 minutes. And it saved me probably hours of working it down on the lathe. Now all I got to do basically is put it on there and sand, which takes hours too. But anyway. Again, all these rounded off basically. Just to zip, 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 man. That really worked out good. I have one here that's not very good at all. But the rest of them turned out really well. And this one will too once I get sanded down. It's just this one's going to take a little more sanding. But all of them did really good. I mean, look at that. Yeah, that new rider bit, that was all right. You can see where it's bumping on the glue. That's going to take some sanding and get the bumps out, but still. See, the trouble is if I put it on here and try to get that off, being this close, I was afraid I'd chunk out some and maybe have one blow out on me. And I want as many of these as possible. I want to try to turn into flutes because they're really going to look nice. It's going to have some cool wood grain, cool markings all over them. I mean, it's going to be amazing. Going to be amazing. These spots like that end up looking so cool. All these deals. Well, I see what was wrong with that one. It's not matching. See, most of them will be matching, but this one's not. Well, actually, this one is. Yeah, that'd be cool. It's just where it was messed up and didn't take as much off there. But anyway, all of those will be really neat looking. This would be a neat looking. Already got a shine to it. They ain't even sanding on it. I mean, it's gonna look so cool. All these little deals. But this one y'all see them. I'm gonna probably do the worst one first. And that's this one. Hoping I don't have to get this super tight at all. see one thing there that I didn't see before. And that's going to be a super short flute. Big hole in it. Golly. But I'll have to cut it off short. That will be a super short. I'll try to move my deals up as far as I can, but I can only go so far. That will be a super short deal on it. Be easier to reach this way. Yeah, didn't even see that. Golly. That's something else, buddy. That's something else. Well. And I may have to take and do a little bit of lathe work on this one. Sure might. Alright. Oh, gotta change that. Make sure this is tight. Make sure this is tight. Crank this down a little bit. I usually put a little bit of tape around the end, just keep from having to blow it out, just to be on the safe side. The old painter's tape. Of course, this is being held together by a chuck. That won't go fine, look like. Oh, wrong one. The wrong one, right? Oh, that wood is so soft. Getting her down quick. Good deal. Good deal. Take the tape off again, get the end. Of course, I gotta cut that end off. It's got a hole in it. Big hole, holy moly. It's got a hole. Holy moly, it's got a hole. Surely does, surely. Well, I'm going to have y'all watch all this sanding I'm going to have to be doing. All this excitement. I won't put y'all through that. But next time we get back together, we'll be drilling some holes out for the sound hole, the air hole, the sound hole. We'll have to flatten down a place for the block. But, well, once I get ready to wax these, I'll get back with you then. But I'll see you then. Well, it's only been about 5 minutes, but I brung you back, done this. This has worked out really well. It's sweet. But show you a mistake I made. I'll show you here in a minute. I'm ready. Put a little wax on it. Wax on, wax off. And I'm not wrapping my hand in it, I'm holding on to it. Because you don't ever want to wrap it. your hand in that thing will catch it and tear your arm off. Be careful. Probably got to be careful enough just doing this. Like this. Look at the ribbon. Slick as a ribbon, buddy. Like I say, I got to cut this off. It had a hole in it anyway right here. But what I wanted to show you is, let me get this other one. You see right here, I have marked where the holes are going to be right here, and I usually drill those out first, and then I sand everything down and turn them on a lathe. But yeah, I forgot to sand them. I forgot to drill these out, but you can take a thing in there and measure. You can find the first one, and the other one is just 3/4 inch away, 3/4, ½ inch to 3/4, somewhere in between there. So I can find it, but that was just a mistake on my part. But look out. I don't know if you can see that shine. Especially with these knots, man. It's just slicker than glass. All this in here, really, that's just awesome. I don't know if you can see that or not. Don't know if you can get that or not. But anyway, just wanted to show you that. Next time, I'm going to go ahead and drill my holes where they're supposed to be. And I'll sand the rest of these down. Next time you see me, I'll be flattening it out to deal with my forstner bit. But I'll see you then.